Hello, ladies and gentlemen. James Billing here for you once again. I've got a little tutorial today, and this is something that I always have to remind myself how to do every single time there is a new version of Kontakt. So it's all to do with quick load. So for those that don't know, quick load is a very easy way within Kontakt to find all those libraries that aren't Kontakt player ready. Some developers release instruments that you can only use with the full version of Kontakt. So what you are looking at the minute is my old version of Kontakt. I think this is 6 possibly. And if you go up here and press quick load, down here are all the developers that I've put in that you need the full version of Kontakt to play. So a lot of the 0G stuff here. Here are all my Ethereal Golds and etc, etc. And I find that incredibly useful. So when you go to update to Kontakt 7, and this is Kontakt 7, and you press quick load, they're not there. So this tutorial is simply how to get them there very quickly. And it's very easy, just to say it. I'm using Windows, by the way, but the very similar approach for Apple. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you can see your application data file within your user library. So if I go to File Explorer and I go to my user library, which is under C and then users, James, okay, you will expect to see something called app data there. Now, we can't see it at the minute, so how do we do that? We go to Control Panel, app, and Appearance and Personalization, File Explorer options, Show Hidden Files and Folders. And you want to make sure that this Show Hidden Files is lit. Okay, apply. Now I'm very aware that some of you may already know all about this, but it's just something that I need to remind myself of every time. And a reminder for me is useful, so I might even watch this for myself next time. So the app data folder should now be visible. Let's have a look. The C disk users, James, that is me. And you can see this folder called app data. Now, within app data, you have local, low, and roaming. Now, roaming is the typical thing that if you are having problems, crashes, etc., and you want to reset stuff, you go into that folder and delete and then reset and blah, blah, blah. But that's for another video. You want local here. And you want to go and find your native instruments, for that is who makes Kontakt. Yeah. And find your old Kontakt. So Kontakt, just Kontakt, was 6. And within here, you see quick load. And in here, you can see all of these things that I've saved. So what I tend to do is I just right click and copy all of those. Yeah. Then I want to go back to the other ones. So now is Kontakt 7. Go into your quick load. Now these are all empty, so delete those. Yes. And paste in your new ones. So this will take a little bit of time, but I will come back to you when it is done. So I've just made my coffee. And that should be done. So let's go back to Kontakt. Now this is my 7. I think you know what's going to happen. If you go to quick load, you won't see it. Just shut it down and reload it. And it'll whirl. And here you are. There you go. There they all are. So obviously it takes time for them to load. So that's how to do the quick load. I think the quick load feature is so useful in Kontakt. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you liked it, give it a like. If you like what I do, please subscribe as ever. And I'll try and put out a few more videos like this in the future because, to be honest, I find them useful and I need to remind myself how to do things. I think that's what the new series will be. Reminding myself how to do things. Anyway, see you soon. Bye.